TalkTV.com.
Hi, I'm Tara and I think rainbow balloons are really cool. So today I'm going to be showing you a bracelet using the fishtail technique. So you'll be needing bands and 2 pencils and just a sequin. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to take one band and you're going to twist it to make an 8 like this. Just going to push it down. Okay. Then you're gonna take green, but the color choice is always yours. This, and then I'm gonna take another blue. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this over like this. Just make sure you pull it like this and push it down. So this is what the fishtail bracelet looks like. Hope you liked it and I'll see you next time with more bracelets. Bye!
TalkTV.com.
For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.